Hello students, I hope you are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 9, that is fundamental rights, fundamental duties and directive principles of state policy. Today we are going to learn about human rights and fundamental rights. What are rights? Why it is included in our constitution? Children, we have learned about the meaning of constitution in your earlier chapter and the features of constitution. Even the fundamental rights is one of the feature of our Indian constitution. Now, human rights. What are human rights? Human rights are rights inherent by all human beings irrespective of their nationality, place of residence, sex, color, religion, language, or any other status. Human rights are those rights which not only give a person his or her basis of existence, but also overall development in which society helps to construct an environment which enables him or her to grow. Citizens of each democratic country are conferred with these basic rights. Moreover, the society as well as the nation takes care that these rights are protected. Every person gets these basic rights from the time he or she is born, and hence these rights are known as human rights. Now, children, you note down this sentence. It can come in exam for 1 mark. United Nations declared human rights on 10th of December 1948. From that day, we celebrate 10th December as Human Rights Day. Now, the importance. Human rights allow human beings to live in a dignified way. As per these rights, every human being should get basic needs such as food, clothes, shelter, education and health, which are extremely important for existence in a dignified and respectable way. Taking inspiration from the human rights announced in the world, India has incorporated certain important and basic human rights from the announced rights into its constitution. By adding these rights into constitution, the rights now enjoy a legal status. These added rights are called fundamental rights. A democratic country allows its citizens to enjoy equal rights. These rights give them freedom to express themselves. Citizens enjoy these rights without any discrimination. The government and the constitution protect these rights and see that people enjoy them. Now, what are fundamental rights? Which rights are included in them? Basic human freedoms that every Indian citizen has the right to enjoy for a proper and harmonious development of personality and achieve all-round development are known as fundamental rights. A nation can remain stable, provide protection to citizens' freedom and democracy through fundamental rights. Now, the fundamental rights provided to Indian citizens are right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, culture and educational rights, and right to constitutional remedies. Now, in my next video, I will explain you about each of these rights in detail. Thank you.